all are present here. My name is Shobna Sahu. I am here to give my reporting to Clear Level C on the topic of my biggest achievement in 2026. So, in March 17, 2026, I participated in a competition which is the 21st Young Scientist Congress 2026. So I have gave the presentation in front of many people. Before that day came, I felt very nervous. I didn't have any hope to give the presentation to the many people. But at that time I told to myself not to be a loser, give my best. So I prepare whole night, and then the next day came. I reached to the venue at 10 a.m. With a proper dress up, and my dress up build up my confidence level. So I reached to the venue and registered myself in a reception to the triple IT NR, and then they took a coupon of food. Then I enjoy the breakfast first, which is the idli sambar and tea. And then my one elder cousin sister was there, and she is working in triple IT NR. So I went there quarter and prepare my presentation till 1 a.m. 1 p.m. And then after 1 p.m. I took a lunch in triple IT NR canteen. And then after my presentation was started at 2 p.m. Then I reached to the presentation hall and show the all the presentator. And after the two presentator giving this presentation in front of me, I build up my strength. And I thought that nobody is better, everybody is same. So after that, but I feel very nervous at that time because the next turn is mine. So I saw one person came in that room, which is my known, which is the my sister's friend. So I felt very relaxed, and I give my presentation very best. And and I give the answer every question to the answer to the examiner. And the examiner was also felt very happy with me. And then the presentation over, I left the venue and take a sip of tea. And went to my sister's quarter and told each and every scenario, and also told to my parents what is happened with me. And then I reached to my room in Raipur at 7 p.m. And then after I felt very tired at that day. And I slept earlier than a usual days. So the next day came, and I wake up late and made a brunch for me. And then I waited for my elder sister's call to told me that I am in winner list. So but she didn't call me, and I lose my hope too. So but I told to my one friend that scene is happened with me, and I can't feel good at that time. So my friend told me, don't lose your hope, go there and attend the scenario. And then what was happen, let's see. So then reached to the venue, and my elder sister called me, suddenly called me, and she told me, you are in the winner list, so came fast. So I take a long step towards the venue, which is the auditorium. So I reached there and take a seat. And then I waited for Vishnu Dev Saiji, who as a chief guest who gave the prize to the every winner. But at that time, the Vishnu Dev Saiji was very busy with their political work. So he or and every person are waited at least 3 hours, but he didn't came at that moment. So the organizer decide to give the prize to the winner, and finally the time over, and the organizer gave the trophies to the present to the winners. And at that time the host hosting that the first winner goes to the in civil department, Miss Shobna Sahu. That was very happy moment for me. I can't told to anyone, and at that time I feel very excited. uh, yeah, and I have no words to told to anything to everyone. So I went to the stage, and there are 4 to 5 judge was there. One was Italian judge was there. So the judge have the trophy, and the check, big check was there, and also medal was there, and also gave the um, also give the certificate. So all these things I am little bit confused what I take first. So the all the judge talk to me in front of the stage and feel relaxed. Then I take a picture with them, and move towards my seat. Then after that, few 5 or 10 minutes left. Then the news reporter came and took an interview with me and my 2 to 3 friends who is the winner. And then I gave the presentation on my topic. And after that, after that all the program was done, I called to my parents and my friend first, and told this everything, and my parents and my friend was very happy with me. And after that I meet my sisters too, which is in triple IT NR already. And then I was very late at that day. So I stay in triple IT NR with my sister, and I gave the small party to my sister in triple IT NR. So after all these things, I feel very good at that moment. I can't express myself in that moment. And after all this scenario is happened, one line came in my mind: when you're receiving something unexpected in your life, the happiness hits different. So that's it, guys, and thank you so much. This is my reporting. Any question, please ask me. First, I say that the reporting is very good. Okay. And I have a question. In which topic did you give presentation? Okay. Yeah, the topic was yeah, the topic was estimation of VKT for road site in India. So, firstly, in that topic, the whole scenario was in India there was a road freight, which means a trolley, truck of trolley. So many accidents have happened because of this, because there was a very loaded trolleys